So this is SAP for anybody who are not aware what SAP is. SAP is an ERP software, enterprise software, and it's been there since 1970. It's a German company. It's a very successful company. And the way they grew over the years was not just through sales. They did not hire more salespeople. Instead, what they did was they created a very solid partner program. See the tagline, become a partner. You bring the experience, expertise, and enthusiasm, and they will bring the tech, the technology, and the brand, and also in some cases customers to build and sell. So what they are saying is, we bring the tech, you bring your expertise, experience, enthusiasm. Now understand the whole relationship here. Okay. What SAP is trying to tell you here is, we bring the tech. That means we'll focus on our tech. You focus on your expertise and experience. For example, if you are a healthcare expert, right? And if you are working with healthcare companies, say for example, hospitals, and hospitals needs to implement SAP, correct? Then SAP themselves, they are not healthcare expert. And for them, it will take a lot of resources, time, energy, and money to hire people from healthcare industry, train them, and then put the sales people, put the operational people, and then go ahead and implement SAP as a software for healthcare industry like hospitals and clinics and like so on. It's very difficult. But suppose you are an agency who is working with in healthcare sector. You are a tech company who is already working in sector. That means you are already providing software solutions and technology support to hospitals and clinics and like so on. Then you will have all the industry experience, expertise, and also enthusiasm and the knowledge you will have. And then you can become partner to something like an SAP, okay, become a partner, and then implement SAP for that particular industry or that particular business. It's a good match, right? In that case, SAP has effectively outsourced the entire operations team, entire sales team, and entire functional business expertise to a third party. And SAP is only focusing on the tech. So this partner can go ahead and tell SAP, hey, I need this changes, that changes, this customization, that customization. SAP will do that. And those partners can themselves do some customization themselves. And then those partners will go ahead and implement the software and take care of most of the complexity, while SAP only focuses on the tech and their own product. And that is the reason why SAP was able to just expand all throughout the globe, and it is one of the largest software in the world. It works with most of the Fortune 500 companies. It is one of the largest tech companies in the world. It became multi-billion-dollar company over the years, and it is still going very strong. Okay, so if you see, there is a growth hack here, and I sincerely feel a lot of companies nowadays, they are just missing out on these strategies, which is in many ways an ancient strategy, in by today's standards, right? So if you want to check out, just check out this partner pages of all these companies, SAP, Oracle, and most of these large tech companies. They have a very solid partner program, a very well-built partner program, and they have different kind of program for different type of partners, right? Partner who wants to build the solution, partner who wants to just sell the solution, partner who wants to just do servicing, partner you want to run the solution, partner who wants to only train and provide certifications on the solution. So they have different levels and layers of partnership available. And of course, you have to become a partner, and then you can implement SAP. And what you get as a partner is the brand, the tech, the experience, so you as a partner, and also they give all the support that you need in terms of of brand guidelines and sales enablement tools and documents and like so on. So SAP also will provide you a lot of support from their end. So it's a very good model, right? Where it's a very symbiotic relationship between the partners and the tech provider, right? So this is a practical example I wanted to give to put in perspective of how partner program looks like. As you can see, they have given an option to find a partner. You can always find a partner based on the country or industry or location or whatever it is, right? So you can just find a partner, what type of partner you're looking for, okay, what type of solutions you're looking for, what locations you're looking for, uh, and then you can start searching for the partners, right? So SAP has a very comprehensive partner list. I'm not going to get into the list here. I hope that you got the point here. Okay. So SaaS leaders like HubSpot, Salesforce, Oracle, they have succeeded, become multi-billion-dollar companies, over the years because of this very strategy. And I strongly recommend that if you have not thought about this particular strategy for your own B2B growth, start thinking about it. Okay, so what is partner-led growth? Leveraging external partners to expand adoption and revenue. That means leveraging external partners, not internal, external. Okay, so partners are like your digital era dealers and resellers. Makes sense? In a physical world, there is products, right? If you're selling potatoes, if you're a farmer growing potatoes, you're selling it to dealers, and then the dealers are going into the market, selling it to the market, and then there are retailers who are selling it to the consumers, right? So there are layers there for physical products, and the same goes with clothing industry and any physical product for that matter. So it's already there: dealer, retailer, reseller, partner programs are already there when it comes to physical products. In the same way, for digital products also, we have partner programs, right? Very comprehensive partner programs that you can leverage. Okay, so what are the type of partners? So you can have solution partners. For example, if I have built a CRM for doctors or hospitals, then I will focus on my tech. And then the solution partners can be consulting agencies, tech agencies who are working with doctors and hospitals. They can become my partner to my CRM software, and then they can implement my CRM software for their customers. So agencies, consultants are the obvious solution partners for most of the industry. Most industries have the agencies and the consultants who provide tech support, marketing support, whatever the support is needed. And they are the best people when it comes to being an influencer to bring your tech to that particular industry. So you can have a solution partner. That means they will come and then they will, with all their expertise, they will implement your tech as a solution to their customer. Okay, then you can have a reseller, for example, somebody who is just sitting in between and they are just reselling it, right? So they will be just distributing software licenses bundled with other tech. Okay, so that means they are not creating an implementation, but they are doing a reselling, right? In many ways, they are just they become your partner, and then they are reselling it to other agencies or consultants or other companies in the process. Then there are affiliates. For example, there are YouTubers and book writers and influencers, right? So they can become your affiliate. That means you can give them a special link, and if they are a YouTuber, they can just talk about your software, saying that, hey, you know what? There is a CRM for doctors which has been launched. It's a super cool software. Find the link below in my YouTube channel, and you'll get a 25% discount. And go ahead and implement it if you're a doctor or a hospital. So that's called affiliate partnership. In that case, they are just sending the affiliate link, and whoever uses their affiliate links to buy your software, then those influencers or affiliates will get a certain commission out of it, right? So that kind of system needs to be set up. I'm also going to talk about what software you can use, what kind of softwares you can use to put up this kind of system. There are a lot of different tech and softwares. This presentation is not about the tech and the software on how to implement it, because there are a lot out there, but I'll certainly give one or two examples for you to begin, especially in B2B, right? Because affiliate is also applicable in e-commerce and whatnot, but I'm just going to keep it relevant to B2B as an industry. And then there is technology part. That means, technology partners are other tech companies who wants to partner with you and sell something, alongside with you, right? Let me give you an example. If you have a CRM software, right, built for doctors and hospitals, another industry who is providing a healthcare record system, right? So they have an EHS system or healthcare record system, they have another software. So they can integrate their platform to your platform and then sell as, as a complementary solution. So it's like a growth hack, right? So if you can partner with this kind of other tech providers who are complementing your software on top of it, then you can grow and they can grow together. Okay, and it actually benefits the end customer. In fact, this is so big that companies like HubSpot and Salesforce and Amazon, and they have all launched what they call as the marketplaces. Marketplaces where all the technology partners can do the integration and list themselves within the marketplace. Okay, so that say HubSpot customers or Salesforce customers can go to the marketplace and find those other solution providers, right? So it's quite huge in terms of technology partners. So that's another very important type of partnership that is a growth hack.